Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Baseus Storm 1. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. So we should perform firstly a soft reset, and right now it's disconnected from the phone, so we should just open this charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. But sometimes you just should click on it because, yeah, this time it's okay, so it's automatically reconnect to your phone. But if it doesn't, just try to click on it at the device list. But if it didn't help you, now you should check your earbuds and maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So put it to the charging case, and after that, right here at the bottom, we have this connection button. Press and hold until this LED light starts flashing 3 times. Here we go. Now we should remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after hard reset, this earbud should enter to parent mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Just click on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!